Last summer, I got to visit Lava Beds National Monument. Lava Beds is situated in Northern California, an area that is greatly affected by climate change. Temperature rise has a huge impact on the plant and animal communities all over the world, especially in lava beds. Average temperatures are rising and will continue to rise in the area as climate change progresses. As temperatures rise, plants and animals' habitats will not be suitable anymore, so many will not survive and whole species could suffer. Additionally, there is a loss of water in the region, as rainfalls and snowfalls have greatly declined. As of now, at the end of January, and in the middle of what should be the rainy and snowy season, the area around lava beds is still classified as an extreme drought. Winter snow is important because the water it brings is not only necessary for local ecosystems to thrive, but snow also reflects sunlight, keeping the area cooler. The less snow there is, the less cooling happens, which in turn makes it snow less. This cycle could lead to disastrous problems here and around the world. Overall, water, ice, and snow are vital for the many ecosystems of the area, and their decline will bring and is bringing disaster to the area. The high temperatures and long, dry summers that are becoming commonplace in the monument are also making fires in the area more frequent, larger, and more ferocious, as well as lengthening the annual fire season. While fires can be good because they burn the undergrowth and clear up forests, if they become too frequent, many plants never have a chance to regrow. As you can see, when I was there were many fires nearby that made the whole area smoky, and you can see evidence of the recent fires. 2020's Caldwell Fire burned around 70% of the monument, and 2021's Antelope Fire, which started around a month after I visited, burned an additional 27% of the monument. Many animals in the area are at risk of declining into extirpation as climate change progresses and the fires become worse. These fires have dire effects on the massive cave systems of the monument. The many lava tubes in the area have incredibly unique ecosystems containing diverse communities of small mammals, insects, invertebrates, and more. Cave dwellers can be highly adapted to this environment and thus extremely sensitive to changes. The recent fires caused the moisture levels in the caves to drop, killing loads of organisms and overall plummeting the ecosystem's species diversity. Many of the caves at Lava Beds National Monument are also home to artifacts and paintings of the indigenous Modoc people, and these could be harmed by the fires as well. Back above ground, Lava Beds is home to 23 bird species that are highly sensitive to climate change, 5 of which could be locally extinct by 2050. With the loss of all of these animals, whole ecosystems will be destroyed, and the remaining plants and animals will have to leave or die. There has also been increased tree death across the area, as the sage and juniper trees that cover the region are suffering from the combination of the climate change-induced extreme heat and fires. There are many more problems facing this monument, from air pollution to invasive species to littering, and we have to do what we can to stop them. While Lava Beds National Monument is one place that is greatly affected by climate change, everywhere will feel its effects. We have to take action while we still can, and we must solve this crisis.